How to download the DeepSeek R1 AI model. First, make sure you have Ollama installed on your system. You can find installation instructions on the Ollama GitHub repository or on their official website. This typically involves using your system's package manager or downloading a pre-built binary. If you are using Windows, make sure to download Ollama specifically for Windows. Once you have successfully downloaded Ollama for Windows, make sure you installed it on your system. On the same website of Ollama, go to the tab that is labeled Models. You will see there an option in which you can choose DeepSeek R1. Ollama simplifies the process of downloading and running large language models. However, because DeepSeek R1 is exceptionally large, you might need to use a distilled version. With that being said, the exact command for DeepSeek R1 might vary depending on the specific distilled version you choose. You might need to specify the model size or version. Check the Ollama documentation or community forums for the most up-to-date command. For example, you might try DeepSeek R1 7V with the correct model name if it's different. Once you are done choosing and successfully downloaded it, Ollama will automatically start the model. You can then interact with it via the command line. The specific interaction method will depend on how Ollama is configured.